Hello, prospective bride and grooms. I am Debarati from Divas Weddings, and today I'm gonna discuss 5 points for building a realistic wedding budget. So, we often get questions from your side regarding building up a wedding budget and how much it is going to cost for a conventional wedding or a destination wedding. So, these 5 points I believe would guide you and help you to understand how to build a wedding budget for yourself. So, let's get started. So, the first point is be informed. So you have to be informed no matter what, and nowadays the first hand information is through internet. So you have to do a small research over the internet regarding various sites which are providing information on weddings, wedding budget, destination weddings, their cost, etc. So just don't get jumbled up with too many of information. Just go through 4-5 websites which you like and just collect some information from there as a first-hand information for yourself. This information is just a primary understanding of what your wedding budget may look like. The second point is be vigilant. So you have to be vigilant because there are many offers over the net going on. Most offers are very lucrative and may attract you at the first place, asking and saying that they can give you a very good and very beautiful fairy tale wedding at a very good offer. So please do not fall for those offers, as most of the times those are marketing stunts by various companies. The third point is be a fair judge. So you should shortlist 4 to 5 wedding planners of your choice whom you think are suitable, and you may ask for a wedding budget from each one of them for your wedding. You might discuss your requirements with them and may go on talks with what you want and what you do not want mostly, so that they can prepare a wedding budget for you. Here I would like to make a point. Do not judge any wedding planner depending on the wedding budget that they provide. Always judge a wedding planner depending upon the planning services they are offering and the fees they are charging, particularly for their planning and coordination services. So the fourth point is respect time. So yes, time is precious, be it yours or mine. If you have decided on your wedding budget or your wedding destination particularly, or maybe you have decided to move on, so discuss that with the service providers you have shortlisted and talked to, so that it can save your time as well as theirs. So the fifth and the final point is be realistic. So other than anyone else, you have to be realistic about your wedding budget. Please do not expect any wedding planner or service provider to offer you wedding planning services at an unimaginable low cost. Usually, any bridal couple thinks two ways. One, a wedding planner charges insanely higher, and two, a wedding planner can get you wedding planning services at an unimaginable low cost. Both are incorrect. Wedding budget is always dependent upon the market price. Sometimes any service provider or a wedding planner may upmark their service price. If you think any wedding planner or a service provider is charging you more than required, you can switch your service provider or wedding planner before giving any commitment. Always go with a wedding planner or a service provider who offers you an honest quotation. Be understanding, be accommodating, be realistic. So that's all about the 5 points for building up a realistic wedding budget. I hope these points shall help you and guide you through when you sit and discuss about your wedding budget, either for your conventional wedding or a destination wedding. That's all for now. Happy wedding planning to you all.